Experiencing a flashing white light on your Rogers Xfinity internet equipment? This usually indicates that your gateway is starting up, updating its firmware, or encountering a connectivity issue. This is a common problem that many users face. The flashing white light is a transitional state, part of the modem's boot sequence. It could mean the device is booting up after a power loss, applying firmware updates, or there's a hiccup in your connection. Don't panic. Often it's a temporary issue that can be resolved quickly. However, if the flashing persists for over 24 hours, it could indicate a hardware failure requiring a replacement under warranty. Let's walk through some troubleshooting steps. First, try power cycling your device. Unplug the gateway for 1 to 2 minutes to reset its RAM and clear temporary errors. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Loose connections cause 30% of flashing white light issues. If the light persists, use the Xfinity app or website to run a diagnostic scan for error codes, such as DSL5202, for update failures. Xfinity has also launched an AI-powered troubleshooting app to help diagnose and fix these issues remotely. A factory reset, holding the reset button for 30 seconds, can fix a stuck update, but you'll lose custom settings. If these steps don't work, the issue may be a hardware fault, and you should contact Xfinity support for a modem swap. Remember to document any error logs via the app for faster support.